Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so injective, you can see that it's doing great, all right? Yeah, this cycle was amazing, or is amazing. We did the top of the third wave. We actually have now pretty nice an A, a B, and a C. Now the question is this C wave completed or not? You can see that this A wave, it did break out when the B wave was going, so I can remove this yellow trend. I need to say we do have a messy B wave here, and could it be that this is not even finished? No, I think it should be finished. Let me do the fib retracement to just double, kind of have a confirmation that this is reaching levels of a B wave. And you can see that yes, it did reach pretty nicely the level a B wave usually does. And now it's doing this C wave. Also, let me double check here if I don't have to readjust something. No, it's pretty good. So it did reach the 0.786. What did I do? Actually, I didn't say it yet. So I took the length of the wave A and added to the end of the wave B. 1-to-1 ratio is usually the target we're looking for perfection. I know there is no such thing as perfection, especially in the stock market, but sometimes it does happen. And would it be perfect? Yes, it would be. And actually now, the more I look at this, the more I can say maybe, I don't know, are we doing like maybe a diagonal into, and this is like A, B, C for the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and this is the third wave. Now we're doing the fourth, possibly still waiting for the fifth wave. $9 for injective. This would be amazing. And even if it drop a lot, this is not even touching the 0.5 fib retracement. And because it's a diagonal, it can go even lower. Now, crazy talking $5.20 for injective. But yeah, $12 already, I found it was crazy. So it definitely, if it goes a little bit lower, I'm going to get a little bit more. Now, I think I messed up with this one. Yeah, definitely, I honestly find that if we make a new low, I'm going to be tempted to making new low. Okay, so I'm definitely going to purchase some. Once again, you need to do your own due diligence. I'm not here to tell you what to do. You need to figure out with your strategy how it's working out. Yeah, because it's not financial advice. All right, so this now it's a mess. And yeah, games are supposed to kick in. I'm supposed to kick in, yeah, and then what happened? Nothing happened. I don't see it. I'm supposed to have another chart on IMX. I'm just checking quickly if there are some quick movers. But these are pretty much the top three. I think Immutable X, I have a chart here more complete. Is it the first one or the second? I should definitely delete one. So here I was counting it. I think I wasn't even finished. Yeah, that's the problem. Like this fourth wave now, it's too late. Yeah, so forget about that one. Is it the same, this one? Pretty much. Okay, and you see now it is very, actually let me leave it, and now it starts to be easier to do charting or having scenario, because you can see that I got invalidated big time. I cannot call this 5 waves because this fourth wave is too low. But is everything lost? Not really. There is always something before we give up. All right, so this I'm going to put in orange, and I'm going to call that a potential 1, and this could be, oops, not at all what I wanted to do. I can call this a bigger wave 1, this a bigger wave 2, and then eventually 3, 4, 5. I'm going to put it in yellow because it's not a deal done. We do kind of have already an A, a B, and a C. Actually, we already had here an A, B, C, but now we managed to go a little bit lower. Now let's see if we already didn't go too much low, and that start to be already unlikely to work out. Now it didn't work. Let me redo it. All right, so you can see that we cannot afford to go much lower. So we have 61 cents and a half to go. After that, it's going to be a little bit dangerous and start to be invalidating also for this 1-2 potential count. So that's pretty much I wanted to share with you guys for today. So Injective, IMX, and you know there are many altcoins there that we had so much potential, and it was like, oh, these coins are great, but now not that great anymore, is it? Even Nakamoto, he was amazingly doing, and now you can see that it's, well, I mean, if you have the good count, you're still okay. And so I 1, 2, 3, 4, and this was a weak 5th wave, and now we can see that we have a 1, an A, a B, and a C still ongoing. Let me check here. Is it the... I think that I don't need it anymore. And I actually want to calculate now what would be the final target. Because now I do have a complete A wave. I have a complete, looks like a B wave. And so now I'm going to go... He didn't do it. Seriously? Okay. So this was our A wave. And this is our B wave. Going to look for a C wave on the left. Okay, so we already reached a few levels. So we already reached the 0.786. Yeah, ideally we would go to the 1-to-1 ratio. I think I can remove the 1.5. And we almost also touch the 0.5. So this could be technically already done, right? It could go a little bit lower, yes, but we had a super spike here. I don't know what was the deal on that one. I don't know if it's a glitch, but I'm going to not take it in consideration, and I'm going to draw just a downtrend line here like so. If price starts to break out from this downtrend, you can see that MA50 also is there. So let's see how it goes. Maybe Nakamoto could be a nice entry point if he really managed to break out from that downtrend, and that would be amazing if it all this at the end, it only was a 1-2 and then still going for the third wave. That would be outstanding. Let me remove some fibs levels here also, because it's absurd. This we don't need anymore, but we can readjust this one, and So this was 1-2 diagonal. Yeah, I don't think we're going to go to those levels. Are you serious? Is it? Did I do something wrong? Diagonal left. No, okay. So yeah, okay. 1-to-1 ratio. If the worst case scenario, you know, this it's just an A, this is the B and a C. I mean, $26, I will take it, no problem. But yeah, there's a lot of work to do to reach those levels. So I'm not looking for that for the moment. Let's first of all, let's see if we can break out from the downtrend. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and have a good day.